But sir, you can't do this to the bird. I don't care. Bring him to me. Okay.
Hey Twitter bird, huh? It's time. He announced it yesterday, and now it's your chance. Okay. Coming, Elon Musk. So it's the time, sir, isn't it?
Of course it is, Twitter bird.
But it can't be.
No. Well, why are you dressed as Rick Astley? Like Rick Astley says.
But sir, you can't do this to me. I'm an iconic for about a whole decade.
I don't care.
But the X thing will not work, sir.
It will. I announced it yesterday, and I hope everyone will like the new update of Twitter. But you don't fit perfect anymore as of July 24th, 2023.
But it's still July 3rd.
Don't you see the counter, stupid?
Sorry. Elon Musk, you can't destroy me.
I have to, Twitter bird. The X is waiting.
Oh boy, this can't be.
I'm sorry, Twitter bird. But it's time for you to officially fly away.
No, you can't do it. You can't do this. You can't.
We did it, boys. We did it. Now, let's reveal the new icon.
Later on,
Introducing the all brand new X.
that's it.
That's the new logo.
What is this?
Hey everyone,
I'm the new mascot for Twitter. How do you like me? Oh, sorry, had a little. I'm having a bit of an accident out here, but I have been officially revealed. How do you like me? Anyone gonna say anything about me yet? Well, anyone?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Ah! I don't stink! I don't stink at all! What are you talking about? This logo killers! We hate X! Yeah! X! X! Guys, you really can't be doing this to me, right? I don't stink at all, right? I'm the greatest rebrand ever! Guys! Elon Musk, I told you this was a bad idea. I don't think fans are gonna go to our page ever again. This was a bad idea, Elon Musk. You should be ashamed of yourself.
If you don't like my rebrand, then you're fired!
What?
Who too?
What did I do? Remember, pal, you hated the X. Oh. We had to fire us because of you killing the Twitter bird and replacing it with an X. That X is from another website.
No. But I own it now. And there's nothing you can do about it. And if more employees want to be like that, I'll fire every single Twitter employee ever.
You realize Twitter would shut down, right? Elon Musk? No, don't fire! Elon Musk then fired over 100 Twitter employees because of them not liking the rebrand. It was the most stressful, disappointing day of Twitter. They should not have introduced that X in the first place. The bird was much better. But Elon Musk killed the bird. F's in the chat for the Twitter bird. We will miss you.